Welcome back to the Roy Garage. Today we're going to continue working on our V6 V8 swap by hooking up our throttle and kickdown linkage. Let's get to it.
Let's get started.
We got our 1981 El Camino here that had a V6 229 in it. We pulled that out and we've got a Chevy 350 with a 4-barrel Holley carb. Now we're going to use as much of the original linkage as possible with a few other parts that we pulled off from another engine. As far as our linkage, I took this off of our old intake manifold. I made it a long time ago to work on the El Camino, but we just have that bolt right there, and then the intake manifold bolt that we've got to take off to mount this on there. Alright, let's get this exhaust intake manifold bolt off of here. Okay. Our linkage, which one does it go through? This one. Let's try that one. Just see what she feels like. This bolt started. And this one's got anti-seize on it. All over my fingers. And we might need to go in a different one, a little bit closer, just because we didn't quite have the length. I feel like we should bend that up too. Let's get this bolted in, and then I'm going to get this bent up so it's pointing this way, pointing at our throttle linkage. Okay, that's good. That one's definitely smaller. There we go. And yeah, let's get that off and bend that up. Okay. Want it to be as smooth as possible. Ooh. Dang, it's still not quite close enough. I have to go back to the drawing board. This is what we got here. We're going to take our clip out in our washer and set that off to the side. And then let's check and see if it fits. Fits pretty good. A little loose, but use this bolt nut and lock washer to tighten everything up on the back side. Washer, nut. There we go. Let's get that tightened up. Alright, that's nice and tight. It's gonna reach. She reaches. Sweet. Washer. Our little pin. Grab that pin. Bend one up. Bend one down. Back. Alright, Jake Roy, give it a shot. Looks good. Looks good, Jake Roy. You can stop now. You're gonna flood my engine. All right, let's get our kickdown set up. When we pulled the V6 out of this, we had a little trouble with the kickdown cable, so we snipped it. So now we're gonna have to get a little creative getting it set back up. We've got a cable and we got a couple different cable stops. Let's see if we can get it to work. This is one cable stop. We took the bolt out and we're gonna grind it a little bit shorter. I don't think this floated right here. Don't touch that, that's hot. This is hot too, but I got gloves on. Alright, we're going to use this cable lock kind of like a slip bobber. Cable's going to go through here and slip, and then we're going to use another cable lock on the one side. So let's get it attached here where we want it. Well, that's about right. Let's see, when it comes this way, oh wow.
You might want to have it like this.
Yeah.
So that way when it goes here, maybe?
I think 50-50.
45 degrees?
Yeah.
Next time.
How's that?
You tell me.
I think it needs a little more.
Oh, nice. What's up?
Here, I'll stick this through here. Yeah, and I'll pull up on that.
I think we're going to be just fine.
I think the tough part is going to be, is it going to keep this thing from going back? But no, it does look good. It does look good. Did you record that?
Yep.
Cool. Now let's connect these two. Let's marry them together. Jake's got a helmet on, and this was my idea. These are our other stoppers, and we are using a kit that I got from Harbor Freight to do body work, just as a solid platform to smash this aluminum stopper flat, and it worked really well. How's that look?
I think it's great, babe.
I kind of want to put two of them on there. Yeah, reassurance. It looks ugly. It needs two.
Over here, there?
No. Two.
Oh, not right there.
Not right there. Let's see if I can get there. We go. Go through the hole. I think this needs a little manipulation.
There's another one. Oh, I know.
An oval.
You're trying to widen it.
Needs to be an oval. There's that little loose one I want to get in there too.
Look at you.
Get me, Jake. There, that's good. Time to snip off the excess. Close your eyes. Those are hot. Yeah, that's what I meant. Or, look at that. It looks super clean. Super clean and nice. Now you gotta make sure you get it in here properly. Okay, and then up here, Jake, up here. It's not going in there.
This looks like it's the wrong size.
It's because it's supposed to go down here. I wanted to. Oh yeah, we got plenty of wire. You see that?
Nope.
I didn't either. See, it's dark as dark. It's all freaking get out down there. It's so freaking dark down there. I can't get leverage to pull it up.
Just gotta turn it 90 degrees.
That way?
Oh.
It's in.
I think I may have missed it.
It's in. It's in. Not so unraveled now. Oh yeah, that'll work. We just need it to go right there.
Yep.
And then we'll set that screw, and then it'll come back. And I don't even mind that, because I don't even mind it comes up like that, because it can do that. Now we're going to take this other cable lock, put it on here, and tighten it right where we want it. Right there. Give her some gas, buddy. Can you mark it?
Yeah.
Right here. Yep.
Is that good?
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. You can see it right there. Oh, yeah. Too tight. Well, so you want to see if it works properly. That's it right there, bro. I think that'll work.
Nice.
Last thing you want to do here is cut this with a little extra on here in case you ever need to adjust it. All right, a little makeshift, but with just a few parts from the hardware store, we got something that's going to work great. Boom, shakalaka. If you like this episode, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. And if you enjoy watching the Meano Camino, you can check out that playlist in the upper left, last week's video, lower left, and next week's video in the lower right. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you next time on the Roy Garage.